While practically similar cars from all the vendors do not have much differentiation today, in the near future, emotionally intelligent car will personalize itself to the user's need. Let us see how the AI system in an emotionally intelligent car could be. This is Saravana Pandian, CEO of Ambient Technologies, and welcome to this video series on emotionally intelligent cars. As we saw earlier, the AI system in an emotionally intelligent car will have two components: the AI core that will be configured by the OEM and the personalization layer that adapts itself based on the human associate. First, we'll explore the AI core part. This AI core will essentially control the vehicle. Fine-tuned for every vehicle SKU, this core will be the intellectual property of the OEM or the software vendor who actually designed it. It will house the algorithms and directly interact with the automotive system. All the vehicle communication will terminate at this, and it will be responsible for the overall operation and safety. It will be like a super ECU that manages all other ECUs in the vehicle. Being tightly coupled with the underlying system, most of its settings will be pre-configured in a static manner. Some of the static configurations include speed performance based on the current fuel levels, responsiveness determined by the present condition of the vehicle, display schemes in the HMI as per the autonomous level of driving, vehicle performance based on the driving environment like hilly terrain, slippery road, and so on. These static configurations could be loaded at end of production line or updated over the air as and when the software upgrades happen. Apart of these static configurations, AI car can allow for dynamic configurations that are applicable over a certain duration or course of a trip. Major dynamic configurations of the AI car will be dictated by the local rules and regulations. For example, manual driving must not be allowed when the driver is underage or drunk. Based on the zones, it cannot exceed given speed limit. Overtaking may not be allowed in some parts of the road. A safe distance to be maintained between cars based on the speed. It should give way for emergency vehicles. The dynamic configuration could come from the company that runs the car, such as disallow driving based on the subscribed distance, not to drive with more passengers than originally committed for. The configuration could be derived by the AI car itself based on the state of the driver, especially in lower autonomous levels, such as limiting speed based on the health of the driver, alert levels based on the current fatigue condition of the driver. These dynamic configurations of core part could be set over its HMI or from the V2X infrastructure as a car drives into a new territory. Having a good understanding of the AI core of the AI car, in the next part of the video, we will see about the personalization layer and its features. Thank you.